Hi guys, what's up? This is Moment from MTIV7 and today I just wanted to tell you guys about the winner. And so, as you know, I was doing this competition for my YouTube channel. We had basically 3 competitions. Out of one, I've already done a giveaway for a Boya microphone. That's already been done, and now I had this latest giveaway, which was the Comica Filmmaker video kit, and I have another giveaway which is going on, which is the gaming mouse. So I'm just going to announce the winner, and it's going to be about the new iPad. But first of all, let's go ahead and let's see who the winner is. This was the giveaway. I had 110 entries. Thank you very much everybody for subscribing to my channel and to just being a part of it. So guys, let's go ahead and draw the winner right now, and let's go ahead and hit draw. So it's just drawing it, and yes, so congratulations, it's Crystal Cordero. So you'll be getting the prize. I'll be getting in touch with you regarding how to send the device out to your address, but thank you once again for subscribing to my channel. And guys, thank you everybody whoever has subscribed, and yeah, I'll be posting other giveaways and I'll be giving other options in which you can win this giveaway. Now, next off is that I wanted to talk to you about the new iPad. So basically the new iPad is out. So let's go ahead and talk about that a little bit. So guys, you know that Apple has launched the new iPads. They come in 2 versions, the 11-inch and the 12.9-inch. Both are liquid retina display. 11-inch one is 2388 by 1688 pixels, and the 12.9 is 2732 by 2048 pixel resolution. It comes with the new Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Speaker on the top, speaker on the bottom. So you get 4 speakers, 4 microphones, and the camera, as you can see on the back, is just like the iPhone XR. The Apple Pencil sticks on the side and it automatically charges. Speed is one key function. Speed is brilliant. So the Apple Pencil has a very flat design, so it can stick on any of the sides, and it's magnetic, so it won't fall off. I haven't tested it at the moment. After I get it, I'll do the unboxing. The greatest feature of the Apple Pencil is that now you can draw, and then you can double tap the Apple Pencil and it'll basically change modes, and you can even do the erase and all that. They've showcased the folio, which is fantastic. Starting with the resolution resolution is amazing. It's just simply fantastic. There is no doubt in it. The speed functionality is amazing. Yeah, I was talking about the USB-C port. So the USB-C port is going to be pretty much standard on it. So now literally there is no side up, and it's got Face ID just like the iPhone 10, the 10s, and all the iPhones which have got no home button, which is amazing. So yeah, it's just a revolutionary product. You got the camera covered, so if you cover the camera, it'll tell you the camera is covered. So basically it doesn't have a home button, so you know it unlocks automatically. So you can see over here the Apple Pencil is stuck on to the iPad. With this Apple Pencil, it'll be a fantastic thing. Now basically Apple has also showcased the speed of this iPad. Now one of the things I want to tell you that the weight, 11 inches is 468 grams, 12.9 inch is 633 grams. 2 cameras on the side, each side, 3-4 microphones, and sleep wake button, nano SIM connector, and a USB-C port. So the chip is a 812X Bionic with 64-bit architecture with the latest generation of neural engine embedded with the M12 coprocessor, which gives the camera it's just leap forward for the camera. So the camera is 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture with a digital zoom of up to 5x5 element lens. So real-time processing data, doing your stuff on Photoshop will be fantastic, because what they showcased in the event is that they ran a full-fledged piece of software of Photoshop, and now you can do like professional editing. Now you can do professional editing directly from your iPad, so no issues for that. They're just going to show a demo over here in which they literally zoom into this bird, and you can see they have literally zoom into this picture, and each pixel, you can literally work on each pixel. Now this was not previously, it was not possible to do it on an iPad, but with the new iPad with the A12 X new Bionic chip. This is possible with a 64-bit architecture. So I think so. Photoshop, the new full version is not being launched, but after it's launched, then that's going to be running on this. So guys, this is my video of the iPad, which is going to be launched. I'm gonna get it for an unboxing, and I'll make it and I'll show you guys how it looks. So guys, thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel, and do share this video, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.